You want to see a budget-friendly synthetic wig? I am here today with Shaba from 𝘠wigs. I have the original Shaba in all her super long glory, and I have a modified Shaba on my head that Nelly modified because she offers one of the most incredible things out there when it comes to synthetic wig retailers, and that's a customization option. We're going to talk about all of it right now. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I'm partnering with Nelly from 𝘠wigs to bring you this video. I absolutely love 𝘠wigs. I love Nelly, and I love that she offers affordable wigs. Now, all of her wigs are made with Futura. Actually, I don't know if all of them are. They're all heat friendly, but a lot of her wigs are made out of Japanese Futura fiber, which is an incredible, super realistic fiber, and her prices just can't be beat. She's just truly making a difference in the wig community, and I absolutely love that she offers the customization option. So I'm just going to lead with that because it is so incredible. When you purchase a wig from 𝘠wigs, you can add on a customization. She can cut bangs for you. She can cut the lace for you. Often the lace comes needing to be cut. Not on these monofilament wigs, which we'll talk about, but some of her other wigs. She can thin it. She can add lift in the front if you want more lift. She can add curl. There's so many things she can do. And for especially a new wig wearer, that is huge because most of us don't know somebody who can modify our wigs for us, and it is a little intimidating to think about cutting into these wigs, especially in the beginning. That is one of the reasons why I love sharing 𝘠wigs. It's because she does so many incredible things and is making a huge difference in the community. Now, I am also super excited to show you Shaba because I can give you a really good real-life example of a customization that she did and what a difference it can make in the way the wig looks. And so if you are struggling on the journey, know that none of the wigs that you purchase have to be worn exactly how they come to you out of the box. But whether you find someone else to customize it or you do it yourself, that's the trick, and Nelly's gonna make it easy for you. Now, on the one on my head, Shaba, let's start here. Shaba comes about 25 inches in length. She's very long. So the one on my head has been customized to 16, 17-ish inches. So she cut off a lot of length. And then she took the hair, and you're going to see on the original when I put her on how the bangs fall, and she made it more of a side part, and she added a little lift in the bangs. A lot of the time on the wigs from 𝘠wigs, the top and the bangs are very flat. Nelly's wigs do not have permatease in them, so you're not getting volume on the very top of the head, and they're generally pretty flat. So to remedy that, you can add a little bit of lift in the front so it isn't so kind of bedraggled and hanging in your face. So that's what she did on the one on my head. Let's take a look at this one from all sides so you can see how this one looks. I love the curl pattern or the wave pattern on these. One of the huge benefits of synthetic, whether it's regular synthetic or heat-friendly synthetic, is the curl is baked in. So this will stay through washing, through wearing. You're not going to have to restyle the curl on this one, and that makes synthetic a real benefit. This wig has a lace front and a mono top. There is that lace front. Really excellent. For a budget-friendly wig like this, I think they did a phenomenal job. It's very realistic looking. There is that lace, so you've got ear to ear. On the major name brands, this would be considered extended lace. And then we have this full mono top. It's actually a double layer full mono top, which gives you free parting really anywhere within that monofilament. To change the part, you do need to use heat, but you can change it. We've got soft ear tabs with bendable stays, an extended nape, and Velcro adjusters. You can see this one hasn't been I didn't pay attention and it wasn't hooked on. I actually don't really need them adjusted. We'll talk about fit in a moment, but that is inside the cap. I will tack on some pictures at the end, and I'll do a couple of side-by-sides so that you can see how this one looks compared to the one that she modified. Really, the biggest difference, I mean, the length obviously is a big difference, but the front is the biggest difference. This has a center part as it comes out of the box and kind of these curtain bangs, whereas she made a side part and got a little lift in the bang on the modified one. And the whole reason I was so excited to show this to you was so that you could visualize what's possible. I have trouble visualizing things. I have to kind of see it to really understand. And so when Nellie suggested that she modify one of these so that I could kind of give that side by side, I was all for it, because I know that's going to really help you guys as you look at wigs online and you think, okay, you know, now that I've sort of seen a wig and how it could be modified, now I can start visualizing the possibilities. And it will allow you to buy a lot more styles, because maybe you don't wear super long hair like this, but you would love everything about this wig if it were shorter. Now you can visualize what that might look like. And I truly love that she offers these monofilament options, because they are so similar to the major name brands. And I know a lot of you guys who follow me are really familiar with them. And when I say major name brands, I'm talking about Jon Renau and Raquel Welch and Ellen Villa and Tressalure and all of those big names. They're so much more expensive though. And so the fact that Nellie has been able to make some styles that rival those, but at a third or even a quarter of the price that they're being sold for, that are being charged for those, that's huge. And it really does open up some great possibilities if you're on a budget and just want to save some money on your hair. You know, I have access to a lot of wigs, and I've tried hundreds and hundreds of wigs over the past 6.5 years, and I really think Nellie is doing something special. I know I sound like I'm raving, and I kind of am. I just really think she's a great retailer and should be on your list for a future purchase. And these monofilament wigs truly are something special. And on the lighter colors like this one, that lace front is really pretty good. And it can be plucked if you want it a little bit sparser. I know on the darker colors you can see the knots a little bit, sometimes a little bit more than on those wigs that are 3, 4, 5 times more expensive. And so there are remedies for that as well. Nellie has a really great private Facebook group, and you can get so much help in that group. So many of these women in the group are wonderful, and they answer questions. And so if you're looking at a wig on her website and you'd like to know what people think of it, you can just ask in the group, and certainly somebody in the group will have purchased it and will share their experience. Or if you're struggling to hide visible knots, they're not visible on these lighter colors, but on a darker color, the group members are going to help you with some real practical advice and things that they do to hide visible knots. And that can happen with any brand. Let's talk about fit. The monofilament wigs from Nell's Wigs do run a little bit smaller. I actually would consider these more average petite. This wig is fitting me like a glove. I am not really getting much extra cap in the crown, and a lot of wigs are big on me in the crown because I have a really average petite, almost leaning toward petite over the top of my head. My circumference is 21 1/4. These fit me just perfectly. I definitely think these are running average petite. I would not consider these if your measurements are more average large. She does include measurements on her website, and she carries wigs with bigger caps. This is not the same size as all of her caps, but I have noticed that those monofilament wigs are running a little bit smaller. I would say they're more on par with like Ellen Villa as far as that's more of an average petite brand. This actually feels like it might be running a little smaller even than Ellen Villa. So for those of you with smaller head measurements, these could be wonderful for you. And I also want to add that Nellie doesn't have a huge color variety with her wigs. Most of the styles that she carries only come in one color. There are a few really popular styles that she ends up making in multiple colors. Shaba here only comes in the color that you see on my head. This is actually she's calling this vanilla cream and platinum, and I would say, let me just grab this one so I can hold it. I would say this is, I'm not seeing the platinum in this really at all. I would say this is more of a kind of a beige blonde. It is neutral. It is not golden. It is not warm. It's not yellow. It's very, very neutral. It's a little kind of like a little bit of a dirty blonde, but I would say it's more of a beigey. Very well blended, not a super light blonde, more of a medium kind of beige blonde. Beige keeps coming up because that's just kind of what I'm seeing, but absolutely neutral. I wouldn't call it ashy and I wouldn't call it warm. I'll show you this color outside, but it's really, if you like your kind of medium, very well blended blondes, you don't want any kind of super visible highlights, you don't want it warm, you don't want it ashy to the point where it looks gray, this is such a great color. And it is not rooted. It is consistent all the way to the top. Let's get outside. You'll see this color outside. I'll put a bunch of details in the description box below. And the only other thing I can say is, if you are new to wig wearing and you are unsure what will work with you and you don't have confidence that you can make just about any wig work, Nelly does offer return insurance. It's not expensive. It's like $9 and it covers the shipping back to her. There is no restocking fee. Purchase the return insurance. I know it's a little bit of extra money, but it's peace of mind. And if you get the wig but only for wigs that haven't been customized. If you get the wig and you just think, okay, I just can't make this work, you can send it back. You're not stuck with it. All right, let's get outside now. Thanks for watching. Have Nelly on your list. Nell's Wigs is great. It's so great. All right, here she is. Got some direct sunlight. If you've watched my videos in the past, you know that I wish I could film every review on an overcast day. I just think it's so much better for you to really see the color. But I haven't figured out how to control that yet, so we're stuck with direct sunlight. But you can see how neutral this is. Outdoors, color is going to look a little more muted. The dimension's going to look a little less than indoors. And it'll be truer to neutral. Indoor lighting can really warm up a color. I think she's really great. I do. Thanks for watching.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.